Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of EWA app. We will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this list you will search about EWA and you will click. After that, in this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. After that you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.